Oh, let's stand back.
Let's get this done.
Alright.
Tyler said you have to wait.
Hopefully no one blocks the view. Are you already videotaping?
Yeah. It's a documentary.
We were right here last year.
When did they just say that? Alright, Whitney, you good?
They're going pretty soon.
We're like, oh, I'm like, I can't get the
Oh, I wish I might have Zoom.
How far is your Zoom?
What if it just comes back and blows?
Not that far. My Zoom farther. You're not gonna be able to send it to Corey.
I don't care.
You guys counting down? You counting down? No, you just get ready. Tonight?
I'm just gonna hold it because actually we're gonna watch it.
Oh, I'm just gonna look at it. I'm not gonna look at my phone.
We should turn the light off.
Hey, turn the light off. All right. Jesus Christ.
Oh, so cool.
Oh my God.
That was so
Yeah. All right, let's go.
Oh, that was so cool.
What you got on that?